Here we go. Way to stay controlled with it. Exhaling as we row. 2 more. And good. Very nice. Coming right to our Abmat. Go ahead and slide that mat, forward a little bit. Really fight to keep the inside of those feet together. Bring those heels as close to the butt as you can there. Good, good, good. Let's see it, Ben. Here we go. Five more. Two more. Last one. Good. Perfect. Nice snag too. All right, let's see it. 10 slams up overhead. Exhaling, slamming right in the ground. Back's nice and flat every time we scoop this up. Let's see it, Ben. Good. Nice. Bending those knees, keeping that back nice and flat every time we scoop this up. There we go. Two more. And last one. Good, very nice.